Multimedia a technical subject. Systems including many media exist already some decades. Novelty is main role of personal computer as connecting center for keeping different data. Text, picture, graphic, sound, video, animation in digital form on hard disk or CD-ROM. Multimedia in classroom is much more than just combination of different media for informing or learning. Multimedia efforts now images of learning and creative way for gaining knowledge and exercising. It offers possibility to develop creativity of scholars and to accustom them on independent work. Intention of seminar is to introduce base of multimedia and its use as effective tool to the teacher of technique subject for producing some learning requisites. What is multimedia? Multimedia is an expression which is heard everywhere. It's an actual subject. Multimedia is integration of many media into the whole for approaching information, contents, and educational programs. One of the main priority multimedia approach of school education comparing with classical methods and form of teaching is possibility to adapt dynamic of giving contents to pupils of different intellectual abilities. Video presentation, it could be stopped. It offers slower and faster performing for analyzing of separate parts, but it is not suitable for adapting pupils of different abilities, and last sound effect could be lost. During multimedia presentation, picture or text is soon all the time on the screen. Work on the presented material offers exact review. Pupil could follow on wishes, would select particular parts which interest him more or searching for extra specific information about presented context. Scheme of multimedia, animation, video, sound, multimedia, picture, and graphics. Multimedia elements. Text gives form to multimedia content. With it, we are approaching the pupil's key information and explanation to multimedia perform. Size of text is adapted in accordance to difficulties and intention of using multimedia in classroom. Picture and graphic approach visual information. It is needed when we can explain enough realistic and plastic just with words. Visual learning is also faster and completely. Videos used for clear presentation of contents or technical procedure which are reflection of real condition and technique or in everyday life. Sound complete understanding of contents with sound effects and music which is creating working atmosphere. Intensifies some parts or it serve like sound background. Sound can also be in presentation as main media for giving information. Animation increase learning with revived graphic and contribute to better understanding of contents. Most of all, increase of dynamic process. All these elements usually are prepared separately. At the end, are connected into the operative whole which is saved on CD. CD has priority to classical learning requisites, books, exercise books, because it contains two extra components, sound and video record. Mentioned component having importance especially for education. Sound and visual presentation help for better memorizing, but above all presentation is much more realistic and with it easier understandable. Memorizing the subject as a result of teaching methods. A. Verbal method. B. Verbal and visual methods with extra learning material. Notebook, textbooks. Combination of methods. conference period. CD has a spiral track of microscopic holes, which are settled and spiral form from inner to outer edge of CD. In digital format, record hole present condition 1 plot space between condition 0. Spiral is divided on units per 2 kb. Two neighbor holes are distant just 1.6 pm because of high capacity of record. Correction in case of might mistakes is urgent. It's done with a computer. CD or CD-ROM. CD is a help for keeping and reproducing learning subjects. CD can save around 7 gigabytes of data, which is the same as 250,000 pages of tape pages. It is made of polycarbonium pitch, information which we want to save on CD. It's need to write first in digital format and save it on the magnet tape. Glossy disc is covered with layer of nickel which is removed after. Like this comes metal negative print master disc, which serves for procedure models for printing DS. As last procedure comes covering of CD with thin aluminum layer for light reflection. Reading data on CD. Data written on CD are readable with laser method. Laser is projected on surface of CD. From words reflected, intensity of reflection depends if it's reflected from microhole or flat space between. Difference is potency of reflected light is perceived by photo detector and bring to right form 0 for reflection from surface and 1 for reflection from hole. With the help of program equipment, CD-ROM and installation for CD, all the information are accessed to all from teachers to scholars. In this case, observation can be replaced with multimedia lesson. It's recommendable to realize this kind of lessons before the excursion, as we can prepare and direct pupils for directed concentration on main phases of technological process, which is impossible to do on the place of excursion because of time lag. After excursion, multimedia lessons can help us for systematize and repeating the subject. Lessons with video animation offers to the pupils quality information and exact image about process and phenomenon which they cannot observe from temporal, space, and financial reasons. Multimedia enables to the teacher separated method of direction for himself and pupils. The teacher can also faster and more quality produce transparent during the producing it. Dynamic picture offers more realistic presentation, more complete information as the majority of phenomenon in physics is dynamical. Multimedia offers possibility of video presentation and animation. Using video data makes sense for presentation of different material technology and technique or specific stages of process, which are temporal and space divided. At multimedia lesson can demonstrate teaching technique subject with classical approach, and with integration of multimedia approach can achieve at the end of semester very good results. They all learned a lot. Pupils and teachers for both is believe maximal motivation and motivation of capacity. Also complicated laboratorial experiments with which are too expensive for presentation in the school. For better understanding, some parts can be repeated more times. As conclusion, we can say that multimedia method at technical subject has following priorities. Increase speed of transporting information to the pupils. It attracts pupils' concentration and motivation, which influence on lasting memorizing of new subjects. Complex contents are more understandable. Lessons become more specific. It can be completed and graduated. It's possible to change dynamic of performing subjects. Parts of subjects can be transferred to other media. Dangerous researching and experiment of specific technological procedure can be done in the multimedia equipment. What is needed for multimedia presentation at technical subject? Besides qualification for work with multimedia, we need suitable machine and program equipment. There are two kinds of machine equipments: equipment for multimedia presentation, equipment for development and preparation of multimedia material on CD. Basic components of machine equipment are computers with high capacity, intercodes, exit codes, projecting systems, sound system, and appropriate equipped classroom. Scheme of equipment placement in multimedia classroom. 1. Teacher's working place. 2. Pupils' working place. 3. TV communication receiver for common directions. Space with multimedia presentation could be appropriate equipped classroom or lecture room. For better visibility with multimedia lessons, seats can be amphitheatrically lifted. For better visibility and control of lectures is better seats placement as it shown on previous page. Classroom must be suitable, airy, and sounded. Room highness can be regulated with light resisting curtains which could be hand automatic regulated. Picture projection should be in proportion with space of classrooms. Projection at lectures must enable good reading possibility in last lines. It's achieved with different placement of seats for pupils if it's possible. Warning for planning of multimedia classroom: when program and presentation systems are getting better all the time, to plan completing equipment with new and better model, most of all for preparation of multimedia material. For multimedia projection, exist many systems which are different and characteristic and quality. The most frequent are LCD projection, screen with graphoscope, electric bulb, LCD projection with integrated light resource, CRT projector. Optic projection, optimal visual area is presented in shadow. Between main characteristics are separability and possibility for the directing. Separability, it has to be bigger than VGA. Important element of quality projection are also color, depth, and contrast of picture. It has to be bigger than 18 byte. At LCD projection equipment have to consider also responsible time of LCD element. Slow CD are suitable for projection of static picture, while is need for video and animation projection. Last CDs which can follow to pass renewal of picture. Production of learning requisite with the help of multimedia. Multimedia can be efficiently used by presentations equipment, which was introduced also for producing learning material at technique lessons for producing polls and dispositive, producing wall pictures and graphicon, preparing and producing CDs for presentation different database and technical procedure, and experiment.